Hello, Martha Miller here. So today we are going to learn how to do a story. The first thing you want to do is go onto your Canva account and go at the top of the search bar. And here, keep in mind that you can search for whatever you're looking for. Let's say you want to do a story to interact with your audience. So one of the stories you could do is called This or That. So you can type here this or that, and then it will show you different templates that you can use. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to select the category you want, which is going to be apply it, and check out all the templates that you have. If you're new to Canva, I recommend you always using templates that are already done and built for you. In the next few days, I can always teach you how to do your template from scratch, but I don't recommend it if you're not knowledgeable with Canva. If you notice over here, we'll let you pick a style that you're looking for, a theme, a color. In this case, I'm just going to click on one of the free ones, which would be this one. I'm going to go to customize this template. And once you're here, realize these are pictures that you can click delete image, and you can add your own pictures. Very simple. All you're going to do is click replace, and then you're going to go to, let's say if you have some favorite pictures, replace. Okay. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna edit. So double click what eyeshadow you like most, for example. Okay, you can make it bigger. You can change the font, you can change the colors, you can do whatever you want. Here you would type the name of the eyeshadow, and remember, you can edit the font, the colors. So let's play around a little bit. We're gonna go to font and we're gonna select one of the fonts. If you wanna make it capital letters, you're gonna go to format and you're gonna make it big letters. If you wanna change the size, you're gonna go to font size. And same thing, we're gonna change the font to this one right here. And now let's play a little bit with the design. So when you click on it, it will show you the colors. If you notice and you go down here, it will show you colors that are actually in the pictures, which is super nice, because then you know that if you click, for example, the title and you go to color, you can select one of the colors that are already in the pictures, which is pretty neat. Or you can stick to your own shades, which mine are gray, white, light pink. Those are the ones that I usually use. And we're gonna change this one. I'm gonna make it to, I'm gonna make it the way I would do it for my brand. All right, same thing here. If you don't like this background, what you can do is you click on the Canva, you go into the end, I'll show you the three dots, and you can detach the image and you can delete it. And that will be a black and white, that would be just with a white background, which is also very nice and clean. If you wanna add any other background, just click onto the plus sign. You're gonna go to background, and on background, you can use any of these. You can search for background ideas. For example, you can type eyeshadows, or you can type makeup, for example. And here's where the pro version makes a difference, because you will have access to way more fun pictures. So in this case, it's just too busy. So what I would do You could stick to something like this. It's very simple. Also remember, if you want to zoom in the picture, you're gonna double click, and with both fingers you can zoom in, you can move it, you can do whatever you want. That would be, maybe you want to make it super close so they can really see the eyeshadow. I mean, that's your preference, okay? So that would be an idea of a story, very simple, that you all can do. Once you like the way the design looks, you're gonna go to the end of it at the right corner, and you're gonna go to download, and you're gonna download it as a PNG, and that will save the design as one picture. If you would like to share this with your team so they can actually edit the pictures or add their own pictures, what I recommend you doing is deleting the images and then click on the right top corner. You're gonna go to share link, and on share link you'll have these options. You have edit, which means they will be able to edit your document. Send a template, which means they will edit the document but it will not affect the original, which is what you would share with your team. Or it can be as view, which view means they can not do anything else besides download it. If you send this to your team as a template, the only thing they need to do is the exact same thing you did, is click on the pictures, click on the circle, go to plus, images from camera roll or from uploads. In this case, I already have them uploaded. So they would click their own pictures and that's it. Go to replace, double click, and there you go. You have another idea of a template. And there you go. Today, what I would like you to do is to go find this template and create something similar. It could be with eyeshadows, with lipstick, with liners. You decide. I can wait to see what you do.